Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to get subject-wise toppers and how to get the details of marks. For example, we want to know English topper. If I put 1, automatically it gives English topper. If I put 5, that is biology, 77. So name and marks will be displayed for each and every subject. How to construct the formula? First, we are going to use choose function. For that, choose. Immediately we can give whether option 1 or 2 or 3. We can able to get it. I just give reference of E15. Okay, that is next one. Based on choose, first one is English. Okay. Second is maths, third is physics, fourth is chemistry, fifth is biology, sixth is accountancy, seventh is business studies, eighth is economics, 9 is computer science. Just close it. So if I put 6, automatically it will give subjects. We want to get topper. Maths. Here again choose. We want subject wise topper list. Marks only. So choose here. Then we have to give range for English, for maths, for physics. Like that we have to give every subject. For getting name, you just copy this formula from here because base is this one. Write index, just student name, this is index, then match. Directly we should not give the reference of 94 or D16. The answer will not be a perfect one. This is done. Okay, then we have to search it from subject wise columns because every time there may be some changes. So again choose, give reference of E15, then again same English, maths, physics. Every subject should be covered like this. For simple reasons, I have given subjects. In case you want, you can able to change it as a sales data for each and every month. Based on sales data, we can able to generate which month who is the topper seller. Like that we can able to get the result. If you like this video, please share it, comment it for any doubts, and please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.